This is the 369 method, and it is one of the easiest ways to manifest anything you want in your life. All you have to do is write a letter to the cosmos. And in that letter, you're going to state what you want to manifest. You're going to write that letter 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon. You do this for 33 or 45 days. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. Once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. Here's how it works. You write the letter. Then when you're done, as you're going to sleep, just think about what you've written. Think about what you want to manifest and feel good about it. Feel as though it's already happened. And after 33 or 45 days, you're going to look back on the letters and you're going to see how far you've come. You're going to see all the progress that you've made. Manifest your dreams.